All right. Welcome again to this tutorial. Like I did promise in my previous video, I said I'm going to drop a wonderful challenge to this Saturday. Okay, and here before us we have a question: how to solve exponential equation effectively. There are some challenging exponential equations that you cannot actually solve by trial and error method. Okay, and even when you apply some of the simple rules of solving exponential equation or challenges, they will not actually give you the needed result. Here we have one of the most rhetorical exponential challenge. The question reads: x to the power of 5 equal to 9 to the power of x. What there will be the possible values of x? Now, in solving this question, we're going to make use of what is called the Lambert W function. That is the only way we can solve this challenge. So how do we go about this? Before we go into this challenge, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, and when you subscribe, do well to turn on the bell notification button so that the YouTube algorithm can notify you whenever we drop that wonderful video. Stay back, relax as we go into today's challenge. Now let's take our question there. So we'll take here solution. All right. The question, which is x to the power of 5 equal to 9 to the power of x. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is to ln both sides of the equation. Okay, so let's take natural log of both sides of the equation. So this will now give us ln of x to the power of 5 equal to the ln of 9 to the power of x. Okay, now with this, we apply the law of logarithm, which says that we move this to this side. The law says that if you have your if you have log m to the power of p, then move this p backward. So this will now give us here, so this will now become your p dot log your m. Okay? Okay, so from here, if we apply this rule here, we're going to move this 5 back here to give us here 5 ln of x equal to, move this x back here to give us x ln of 9. Good. Now, at this point, what do we do? Let's divide through by 5 and also by x. In other words, let's divide through by 5x. So if we divide this side of the equation by 5x, we equally divide this by 5x. Okay? So if you look carefully, this 5 will go with this 5, and this s will go with this x. And so we are now left with your ln of x all over x equal to your ln of 9 all over your 5. Easy. From here, let's move to the other side of the bird. Okay? So let's move here and see what this gives us in turn. Okay. All right. With what we have in here now, we have ln of x all over x here. And we're actually looking for x. So what do we do to get our x? I'm going to rewrite this expression here now. Remember the identity which says that if you have your e to the power of your ln of a, this actually will give you a, because this natural log is base e. So we're having e to the power of ln of base e. And so this will leave to give us here a. So if we succumb to this rule, I can introduce something of such here. So I can rewrite the denominator as here, now give me ln of x all over your e to the power of ln of x. What I have here now is the same thing as this. So it has not really changed the system. So everything here equal to the right hand side, we have ln of 9 all over 5. Easy. All I will do here is to move this guy backward. In other words, I want to remove this division sign. Okay, in removing the division sign here, then the minus will come up here. In other words, we can rewrite the expression on the left hand side to give us here your ln of x dot your e to the power of minus ln of x. This is equal to ln of 9 all over 5. Easy. Okay, now let's look at this. If you look at this carefully, you discover we're having ln of x here, and we're also having ln of x here. But the difference is that here we are having a minus sign here, and here we are having a positive sign. For us to be able to make use of the Lambert Wm function, then we have to introduce a minus sign to this side. Okay, so if we are to introduce a minus sign to this, then we will also introduce a minus sign to this other side. And so we're going to have this to be your minus ln of your x dot e to the power of minus ln of x equal to minus the ln of 9 all over your 5. Good. So with this, what do we have at the base here now is what we have at the top here of our e. Okay, so what do we do at this point now? We succumb to our Lambert Wn function. Our Lambert Wn function says that if you have a dot e to the power of a, and if we introduce our Lambert W function, this is equal to a. Remember this function? Okay, so if we succumb to this function, we also call this the product log. Okay, this is also known as the product log. So if we succumb to this function or to this rule, then we are having what we have here, the same thing we have here. So let's introduce our Lambert W function to this and also to this other side of the bird. So this will now give us here your Lambert W function of ln of x, okay, dot your e to the power of minus ln of x, the close bracket, equal to the Lambert function of your minus ln of 9 all over 5. Close bracket. Easy. We're almost there. All right, so from here, we're going to have this to be your minus ln of x equal to your Lambert W function of minus ln of 9 all over 5, close bracket. Good. So how do we get our x here now? Move this one to this other side, okay? According to the law of logarithm, okay? So if we move this, because here we are having invisible 1. So if we move this minus 1 to this side, we're going to have this to be your x to the power of minus 1. This is equal to your w bracket minus ln of 9 all over 5. Close bracket. Again, let's proceed on this other side and see where this gives us. Okay, so let's take a look at this now. So how do we now get our x here now? All I have to do here, I want to introduce e. Okay, I want to introduce e to this side, and at the same time introduce it to this other side. So if we go by that, we're going to have this to be your e to the power of ln of s raised to minus 1 equal to, we also do that to this other side, which is e to the power of our Lambert minus your ln of 9, okay, close bracket, all over 5. Okay, all right. Now, with this e, we go with this ln. So we're left with what? X to the power of minus 1, which is equal to your e w minus ln of 9, close bracket, all over 5. Easy. So like I told you, it's a bit rhetorical, but we're almost there. Now, your x to the power of minus 1, we can find the reciprocal of this. So if we find the reciprocal of this, then we also do that to this other side. In other words, for you not to be confused, here we have your 1 all over x equal to your e to the power of w minus ln of 9 all over 5, close bracket, right? So since we are looking for s, we can cross multiply, then 1 will stand on this other side. Then divide through by this, And so that will give us the value of s. But the shorter way of it is to find the reciprocal of both sides of the equation. If we do that, we're going to have our x equal to 1 all over your e to the power of w minus the ln of 9 close bracket all over 5. Okay, as it is, this is where I will stop as far this question is concerned. So we have our x equal to 1 all over e, then to the power of Lambert W function, bracket open, your minus ln of 9 all over 5. Okay, let me cover this word because this bracket is covering everything here. Okay, so this is the answer to this exponential equation. All right. So this is all I have for you for today. If you learned something from this video tutorial, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, and also you have a better way of solving this, drop it in the comment section. All right, because we are here to strike a win-win balance. All right, and also do not hesitate to share with people, with those that need this knowledge. This is OnlineMaths TV. My name is Jakes, and I love you so much. Why? Because you are always there. You have encouraged me in the time past, and your encouragement is what has really given me the power, the momentum to push on. I love you, and I pledge to give nothing but the best as far as this channel is concerned. All right, stay blessed. Thanks for always be there once again. Remember, Jakes loves you, and every one of us at OnlineMaths TV love you. Bye for now.